Looking to elevate your Harley's audio with crystal clear volume and booming bass minus the bulk of subwoofers? We put together the ultimate solution for you. Our complete package delivers unparalleled sound quality, blending massive volume with deep bass directly into your bags. Stick around as we explore this innovative system, complete with a dB test and a walk-away demonstration. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breakers Stereo and Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, motorcycle audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And in this case, we don't ride stock. And if you're like us, where stock just won't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, we recently filmed a video featuring a full system package for a new Road Glide. This system was extremely loud and consisted of 4 Diamond Audio speakers, a Diamond Audio amplifier, and the SoundStream HD HU14SI head unit. Now, we labeled it the HD.SS.SAV1. Now, this system we're reviewing will consist of the same equipment except the rear speakers, which are also made by Diamond Audio, but are designed to have more bass. But we'll talk more about those in a minute. So let's talk about what's in this package, the HD.SS.DAV2 bass. First off, the head unit is the SoundStream Reserve HD HU14SI, which is a plug-and-play solution that gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, along with many great audio features like a graphic EQ and onboard crossovers. Now, included in this is the ADS-MRR that will integrate the handlebar buttons that control the radio and will transfer the vehicle's information on the screen of this aftermarket head unit. The front speakers in this package are the Diamond Audio MP652. These are 6.5-inch coaxials with a compression horn. Now, these speakers are designed to play loud and clean and will cut through the engine rumble, the exhaust noise, the wind, and through your full-faced helmet. Now, these are 2-ohm speakers and can handle 250 watts RMS and 500 watts peak. Now, you're gonna have to modify the enclosure and the fairing in order for these to fit, and you'll want to reseal them with sound deadening material as shown here. Now, as far as the back speakers, this package comes with a lid conversion kit, model number MSMS692LK, and come with everything you need to cut, mount, and wire up the rear speakers. Now, the rear speakers in this kit are a 2-way 6x9 high output coax sub. Yes, a coax sub. Now, Diamond Audio unveiled an industry milestone with the introduction of the Motorsport MS69CX coax subwoofer, the first of its kind, specially designed for cruisers and baggers who desire that deep bass sound without compromising space. And the MS69CX isn't just any speaker. It combines the exceptional sound quality of Diamond Audio's coaxial speakers with the capability for low frequency output, establishing it as a premier coax subwoofer. Now, these are also 2 ohms, and this will allow the amplifier to output more power versus the standard 4 ohm. So let's talk about the amp. Powering this system is the Diamond Audio Micro 4 V2, a 4-channel Class D amplifier that's rated at 150 watts times 4 at 2 ohm, and this amp is small enough to install into the fairing and requires only 8 gauge power and ground. Now, other specs and features include the frequency response range is between 20 Hz and 30,000 Hz, and the total harmonic distortion, or THD, is 0.5%. There's a variable high pass and low pass filter between 40 and 400 Hz, and you do have a variable bass boost from 0 to 12 dB. This kit also includes all the wiring needed in order to complete the installation. Okay, that's what you get. Let's go check it out. All right, you got plenty of sound coming at you. You got the compression horns firing right at you. You got lots of sound coming from the back. We got that hard dome tweeter, and of course, you got the bass coming from the bags. Now, if you're on the kickstand, of course, you're gonna feel that bass. If you're riding around, it's not gonna be quite as much. All right, so let's keep that in mind. All right, let's check out another song. All right, plenty of sound as well. Does really good with that rock music. Okay, I'm curious to see how loud this thing is, so let's go ahead and grab that dB meter. Okay, so I'm gonna set the meter right about here, right about listening position, and we'll see what kind of reading we get. All right, let's do this walk-away demonstration. All right, so we're gonna label this kit the HDSSDA version 2. The other one with the horn tweeters in the front and the horn tweeters in the back, that's gonna be version 1. Now the difference between the two is this is going to have more bass because you got those coax subs in the bag. Version 1 is going to be louder because you have the compression horn tweeters in the front and the compression horn tweeters in the rear. Now, we'll leave links in the description below for both kits if you're interested or need some more information on these kits. Now, remember, we do have financing available. Simply add the cart, pick a financing option, get approved, and then we'll send your gear out to you ASAP. If you're local in Southern California, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to work on your bike. That'll do it. My name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.